Hi guys, so we can see the where Dow Jones can momentum has been done on 15th. Okay guys, this also yesterday's analysis. I always told you that guys, go for two targets, first target and second target. You have to book on second target only your 80 to 70% profit. After that, your 30 to 20% profit can run for third target and fourth target guys. You have to remember this all guys. I also do the analysis yesterday what we have analysis how it behaves. At the end of this video I can do that analysis. Go and check out, there will be so much learning for you guys. Okay guys, now we can see where can Dow Jones behave for 15th. Okay guys, 15th March, you can see that it is continuously consolidating right now. If it will goes and take a resistance from here guys, then your first target will be here only guys. First target will be this, second target will be this, third target guys. Okay guys, these are the three target guys. If it open gap up or something happened like that, okay guys, then your first target will be somewhere here only guys. Second target guys, this will be third, and fourth target guys. Okay guys, if open a gap down or something majorly, okay guys, at that time what you have to do is that if once again it take a resistance from here, your first target will be this guys, second target and third target guys. Okay guys, just pause this video and see the where is first target, second and third target guys. Okay guys, we can see for Nasdaq also guys. In Nasdaq right now it is continuously taking a resistance. Okay guys, if it will behaves like a resistance, then your first target will be here guys, second target guys. Okay guys, this will be your third target guys. Okay guys, and fourth target also you can go for it. Okay guys, these are the four target in downside guys. In upside also we can gonna see in upside momentum if it consolidate and came upside and take support somewhere here, or you can see the price action guys. You can see my check out my playlist also guys. There I have told you trendline support area and how price action works. And you can also join my Discord server and Telegram channel. I will post there some investing ideas also, and share with your friends and family whoever want to invest in stocks or something, trade. So go for it guys. Okay guys, this is the second target guys, this will be third target guys. Okay guys, you can go for fourth target if it breaks this too. Okay guys, we can see in Russell 3000, you can see that from here somewhere it is right now in consolidation phase. Okay guys, if it goes for upside momentum guys, then you have to see that it has to break this line. Then you can go for your first target guys, second target guys, third and final fourth target. Okay guys, I will just make this line. If it will break, then only go for your first, second and third target. Okay guys, or if came and taken support somewhere here, then only go for it. Okay guys, we can see next also if it will broke this line. Okay guys, if broke this line, then your first target will be this guys. Okay guys, if it will take support somewhere here, then you can see that your first target will be somewhere here, second target will be this, third target, fourth target, like this. Okay guys, you have to see it. Okay guys, if it will take a resistance from here guys, your first target will be here, second target guys, and your final target will be somewhere here, third target guys. Okay, we can see in SPX also guys, right now it is continuously consolidating only. So if it will break and come upside guys, then only you can go for your first target guys, second target, this will be third and fourth target guys. Okay guys, it has to first cross this line. Okay guys, it has to cross this line. Okay guys, and after you have to go for it for here only. If it will take support, then only go for these three target guys, otherwise don't go for it. Okay guys, if it will continuously right now consolidating, if open a slightly gap up only, then you can go for your first target guys, second and final third target guys. Okay guys, and this is the one of the major thing is that if this will break, then only go for it guys. Okay guys, in HGX also you can see here our all target has hit it here. Okay guys, if you have shorted call side, then you have got very nice momentum here. You can see that. Okay guys, you have at least got a theta decay also. Okay guys, right now we can see that it is acting as supporting area for us. Okay guys, if it is going flat only, then your first target will be somewhere here guys, second target guys, this will be third target guys. Okay guys, these are the three targets for you, and this is the one of the thing where you have to see it. Okay guys, if this line will be break, then only go for these target. Okay guys, if it came downside and take resistance from here, okay guys, then your first target will be somewhere here guys, second target guys, this will act as a supporting area guys. I will just draw it for you. Okay guys, after that, if it will take a resistance from here, you can go for up till here guys. Okay guys, it will act as supporting area from here guys, so you have to see that if it will break, then go for third target. Otherwise you can book your full quantity up till here only. Okay guys, we can see next in Tesla. Okay guys, in Tesla I think so little bit it came downside till right now, so I will just shift this. So what we have discussed some days earlier. Okay guys, you can see here guys, your first target will be somewhere here, second target, third and fourth target. Okay guys, this is not come within one day, it will be a weekly, so you can go for your first target up till here guys, second target and third target guys. These are the three target guys. If it will break and come upside, then this will be somewhere here your first target, and I will just shift this so we don't have to shift it. Okay guys, this will be your first target will be somewhere here guys, second target, and this will be third target guys in Tesla. Okay guys, we can see in Microsoft also guys. In Microsoft you can see that it is continuously taking resistance and came down guys, so it may be happen that it goes and takes somewhere here support and goes for your first, second and third target guys. Okay guys, if doesn't it take resistance, then you can go for these target guys. Okay guys, we can see next Apple. I told you that in Apple this is the gap I'm seeing that it has to fill this gap. Okay guys, this is the major supporting area, so it will be reversed from somewhere here guys. Okay guys, right now it is in the range. If it will break its low, then you can go for this is the act as resistance, then you can go for your first target, second and third target guys. Okay guys, in upside momentum also we can see that if it takes support, then your first target will be this, second target guys, third target guys. These are the three targets for you guys. Okay guys, right now we can see the analysis of yesterday 14th March, how what we have analyzed and how it market behaves. Okay guys, so let's see that yesterday what we have analysis and how market has been worked. You can see that clearly that open a slightly sideways only, after that it taken support. Here you can see that this green candle and red candle, here only you have to take your call or you can short your P. Okay guys, here is our first target and second target. I always told you guys, whenever you can see our video, you have to take your second target and up till 80%, whatever you have traded in this, you have to square off your 80% profit, and your 20% profit you have to take for third and fourth target guys. Okay guys, why is that? Because I have back tested my this strategy, so whenever I see that my two first and second target always hit, after that third and fourth target is always in 40 to 50% time will not reach. Okay guys, that is not matter. What is matter is that our second target only we have to book our 80%, then we can run third and fourth target of 20%. Okay guys, if we don't do that, like you can see that how nicely it fallen, then you don't get any profit. You have square of somewhere here, so you have got very minimal profit. So that's why you have to book your second only. If you have so much confidence, then you can take it for third and fourth target full quantity. Okay guys, if you have traded like this, you have got very nice trade in Dow Jones. Okay guys, after it you can see that here consolidation happened. After it taken here resistance, once again you can have to take a put or short the calls upside. You can see that our first target also reached, second target also reached, somewhere here only consolidating. So that's why I have told you go for two targets only. Okay guys, after that also you have confidence, then you can take it out. In Nasdaq also guys, we can see in that in Nasdaq here you can see that guys, I have always told you that here you can see that I have told you double top. You can see that exactly double top after this breakout guys. It's low breakout, you have to take a position. Okay guys, this is the low. Okay guys, after this low you have to take a position, this red candle only. You have to take your position and your SL will be this red candle only, because this is double top and it's breakout. That's why guys. So you can see that how nicely it came up till first its supporting area. So you have got very nice to risk to reward, because your SL will be somewhere here, then your risk to reward is 1:5, at least 4 or 5 guys. Okay guys, after that you can see that continuously hitting at resistance only. You can see that. Okay guys, continuously hitting on resistance in Nasdaq. In Russell 3000 also you can see here it taken support guys. First target reached, second target also reached. After second target only it came and taken a reversible. Why I have told you like this, because our two target always reached. Okay guys, that's why I have back tested also this. So that's why I have told you that 80% of your profit you have to book in second target only. Okay guys, now you can see that it taken resistance. You have to take your position. Your first target also reached, second target also reached. After that it became a volatile guys. Okay guys, we can see SPX. In XPX also you can see that exactly here only taken a support. Our first target is reached, but it doesn't reach our second target. Okay guys, after that you can see here it taken exactly from here resistance, what I have told you, taken resistance. Our first target is reached here too, but doesn't reach the second target. Okay guys, somewhere some index will not reach up till where what we have discussed, and some Nasdaq and Dow Jones and Russell, they are reached all. Okay guys, from here also what happened, slightly gap down. After that you can see that big three candles downside came. After that it consolidate. Okay guys, after that this is the breakout. After this breakout guys, okay guys, you can see that how nicely they became volatile. So after that only here only somewhere you can see that you have shorted your calls also. Okay guys, after this red candle or this red candle you have shorted your calls, upside calls. Then you can see that how nicely it consolidated and came down. You can get the theta decay guys, time decay at least. Okay guys, that's why you have got very nice trade here also, if you have planned properly, then only. Okay guys, in Tesla what we have discussed is that if it will take resistance but open a gap down, after it become volatile and a sideways market only in Tesla. Okay guys, in Microsoft also we discussed. In Microsoft you can see that what we have discussed is that if it will break, it broke, but what happened, it continuously consolidating here only. After that it become a sideways, after came down once again. Okay guys, we can see for Apple also. In Apple you can see that it trying to take upside, but it become volatile and came downside. Okay guys, in one daily time frame also it is coming here, up till here. What I have discussed is that up till here Apple has to come. Okay guys, when it reaches up till here somewhere, but market is very much bullish, you know that on that day you can see that this green candle, that's why it gonna upside momentum, otherwise it has to come up till here. Okay guys, we can discuss right now that how today Dow Jones and Nasdaq will gonna work. Okay guys,